Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp, then go to your chat, press on three dots, click on more option. Here you can see the option of block. Press on this. Then click on block option. So this is how you can block someone in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.